Learn how to create
G'day,
a
boys and girls.
sneaky
We're going to show you
pre-mixed
how to
vodka
do
blood
a
orange
sneaky
beverage
pre-mix.
expertly.
This will get your beverage of your choice and whatever you want. Over here, I've already pre-done a rum and a bourbon, but we're going to go a little bit more creative. We're going to go a lovely blood orange with some vodka. But what you're going to need: pot of boiling water, a funnel, a knife, a pair of pliers. You can use scissors to chop off the ring, or you can use a knife, a texter to mark your level, and a screwdriver. Okay, so here we go, boys and girls. We're going to sacrifice this bottle. We're going to pour this into this empty bottle that I had earlier so I don't waste the lemonade. So here we go. We're going to stab in that. Be careful, don't try this at home, kiddies. And we're going to chop this off. Here we go. Off she comes. Oh, oh. Bend it back. Oh, she's a tough one. It's not too sharp. Oh, she's a fighting. I might go with a sharper knife. There we go, look at that. Use a sharp knife, works much better. So this, right here, is the lid we want. We want this lid. We're going to pop her into there. Pop her into the boiling water. Let her soften up. And away she goes. Now we can get our funnel. We can save this lemonade for later. Look, it might go a bit flat because we're fizzing it up a bit. But anyway, that's what you do with that. This is the bottle that we want to use. We're going to crack this off. I don't know. We've already pre-marked it here, Dot, before we cracked it with our texter to get our levels exactly right for every bottle. So we're going to pour some of this out. I reckon that'll do. Get our funnel. And we are going to top that up with, whoop, we probably should have pre-cracked this. Didn't think this one through. Our vodka. So we can top this up. All the way up to our line. I like to go a little past it. Pop the lid back on. Give it a mix. And give a little bit of a taste just to make sure she's all right. Oh, that's a nice mix. Oh yeah, I do like that one. But we've gone under the line, so we'll top it back up again. Get it bang on that line. Bang on. Okay, now we've got to take off this ring. Like I said, if you don't feel comfortable with a knife, you can use the scissors instead. Pop that off. So here we go. This has been simmering in here, getting nice and soft. Get the pliers. Press down. Get your screwdriver. And bang. Off she pops. This is what we want. Look at that. Beautiful, unbroken seal. Now, over to here. You pop it back onto the bottle.
Turn backwards, don't you?
Turn it backwards. And clickety clack. Bingo was his name. Sneaky premix. All ready to go. Over here. Ready to go with the other ones. They're all the same level. There you go, boys and girls. Sneaky premix. Good to go to any venue you want to go to that you can get in with soft drinks. And have a good night. Have a cheaper night. Don't pay $15 for a can like they're stinging you at all these venues. Go in with your sneaky premix. Have a wonderful night, boys and girls. Enjoy.